Hi everyone. I'm here to open up the Stickii Club envelope for the month of September. Just a disclaimer before we start, I am visually impaired. So there will be some zooming with my phone, which I am using to film this video, for me to be able to see things, and I'll even still get stuff wrong. And if you see that I get something wrong and you want to tell me about it, go ahead, make a comment. I don't mind. Just to let you know, that's the reason why this is like this. There will be no editing as well because I don't know how to edit anything. I don't have any programs to do so. I just upload the raw footage. The only editing will be me pausing the video to do certain tasks so that it's not so long. The bayonet's here because it is my letter opener. It is not sharp at all. Not even the point. Normally I start the video out saying, you know what time it is. I got the bayonet out. I used to film this for my Facebook friends, and I've been told to try and do a YouTube channel. I don't know why, but here I am. Stickii Club is a sticker subscription service that comes monthly. It comes out of my checking account $11. I think they say it's like $10 plus like $1 shipping. I'm not 100% sure about that, or that could be the tax since I live in the grand state of PA that loves taxing everything. There are 3 different packs. I get the cute pack, which means cute stickers. There's also a vintage / retro pack and a pop pack. They usually have a theme that comes out. All the information will be either down in the the descript, or I'll have the link there for you to be able to go and see it yourself. There are hundreds of videos about Stickii Club, so you don't take my word for it. Go see someone else's. If I haven't already said so, which I believe I have, this is for the month of September. It comes in a normal paper envelope, but the stickers themselves actually come in a sleeve that can go into an A5 6-ring binder, which I don't happen to have right now to show you, but they have them on their website, but you can also get them on Amazon. There we go. Then we can put that away. Okay, so I usually keep the envelope out so you can see them better because my desktop is dark wood with glass on top, so it's really hard. All right, here is the sleeve. It's got several pockets on it. It's not just stickers. You get sticker sheets, usually about like 5 to 7, depending on what they want to give you. But there's also stationery items. To start off with, we have a theme sticker. This sticker technically comes with 2 stickers. And I'm going to zoom in, so be prepared. Wee! Okay, so it says spooky with 2 eyes, like kawaii. These are adorable. These are usually adorable. Both stickers are the same, just one's pointed the other way. And the reason for that is it's actually written, if you'd like to pause to read on the screen here, if it's properly focused. What it's meant for is you take the sticker and you can, if you want to, put it on the bottom corner here of the sleeve to help you figure out which pack this is if you can't like figure it out from just these items here. Or you could put it in a planner, in your diary, anything. You could make this sticker anything you want. And there's 2 of them. Just one facing the other way. Excuse me. All right, in this pocket, it always has a flap. Looks like we got a stamp. It's one of those ones that goes, you buy like an acrylic block and it goes on it because the back is sticky. I don't know if you've ever seen that. I'm sure you have. If you're here for like stationery stuff, which this is, you'll know about that. If you don't, it's okay, because I didn't know about it when I first started getting these. I didn't understand what they were. I was like, why is there okay, now let's see what we can see. They're pretty thick. This side is usually just covered with this plastic, but it doesn't really need it. All right, I'm going to zoom again, just to warn you. Whee! All right, what do we got here? Maybe if I look at it this way. Oh, look. Aw. Okay. I believe it's a ghost. There's a heart there. We've got a stick that says boo. It's so scary. Boo. I can't tell what that says though. Most likely that's the person that made it. So let's put it here so that you could pause it and see. A lot of the people that do the stickers for this are either with Stickii Club themselves or they're on Instagram. I ended up following a whole bunch before I joined Stickii, not realizing they were going to be there. So there's our second item. Very adorable. I don't actually have any acrylic blocks yet because I haven't found just like one. You can't buy just one on Amazon. Apparently you can buy 6 or 7, but you can't buy like just one. The last item in the front pouch is another stationery item. There's usually a notepad in each one. I don't think I've gotten one that didn't have a notepad, and I've been getting this for over a year now. I started watching a channel, I think it's called All Things Kawaii. Kawaii? Not kawaii. Kawaii is scared. I'm sorry. I apologize. Japanese community, don't come for me. Okay, so what we got here is a really cute little witch. Now it's regular note paper, and you get pretty many sheets. Oh, this is cute. Usually this is part of like one of the sticker packs. Like one of the sticker packs will have stickers that go along with this. But this is adorable. I'm so happy that the Halloween stuff is coming out. Okay, so those are our stationery items in the front. Yeah, that's it. So everything else is in the back here where the sticker sheets. And it looks like there might be something else back here besides the sticker sheets themselves. I don't know why I feel nervous in this video. I shouldn't, because I've already uploaded one, but I think it's because I uploaded that one after I'd done it for my Facebook friends. And I feel more comfortable with them. Okay, it looks like envelopes. We've gotten these a couple of times before. I actually just wrote one for someone. Not one you could send in the mail. You can't send these in mail. The size of envelopes. If you've ever had index cards for school or something, this is the size that you are allowed to send. That's the smallest size in the mail. It's a 3x5 by 5 inch, I believe. In Japan, I believe they could go a little smaller because their envelopes are different. But these are for more like sending notes to your friends or doing something small like on a gift. Oh, these are, the back side is just like a pale orange color. I'm really sorry. I keep going out of frame because I'm so used to the camera being. Maybe I should just keep it there. All right, so the back side is just a pale orange, and then we've got this cute little character, and of course the Stickii Club and the, I believe that's the, who made it. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Is that a cat ghost? Hold on, I need to zoom. Whee! Oh my god, it's a cat ghost. Ow, I hit my elbow. Oh my god, that's so adorable. Oh, it's sad though, but it's adorable. Oh, look at that precious face. Okay, this is my favorite thing. Oh, the pumpkin's looks kind of mad. Are you mad, pumpkin? Don't be mad. Be happy. Why does it look backwards? Alright, then upside down. It was upside down because you're supposed to fold this part. Oops. But that's the person who made it. A lot of the times you'll see the Instagram on there. A lot of times. And it'll usually say like StickiiClub.com. This is adorable. This is absolutely adorable. I love this. 2 pieces. Not to literal pieces. You get, let's see here. Usually it's like 2 or 3. There's 1. Yep, 3. You get 3, and they're actually pretty like cardstocky. And if you don't know, you fold them along the lines that they give you. And sometimes one of the, yeah, there'll be like a little tuck piece. So these go in first. Do 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 do, boo do do boo boo boo. folding this cute little envelope. And then you just tuck it in like that. If you have like, you can either write your note on the inside here of the envelope, or sometimes when they give us like little notepads like this, you can write the note on the notepad, fold it up, and stick it inside. Isn't that cute? It could be. It might be. I think it's cute. Does my opinion matter? Someone tell me, please. Okay, so now on to the sticker packs. Okay, they're sticking together, but I think we got 7. So, I'm gonna show you what we got. This is the first one. It's pretty thick. Shiny, for sure. Oh! There's a little boo from the stamp. Okay, so this one goes along with the stamp. And there's the person who created it. These are quite adorable. Quite adorable. Is that? What is that? Oh, it's a sugar skull with wings. Huh. These are so... Is this a candy apple? It's got a spider web on it. I don't think we should eat that. I mean, unless you're into that. It's an octopus. I'm sorry. Excuse me, what? What are you doing? Last month's theme was Game On, and it was like a whole bunch of critters like playing with like video games and stuff like that, and it just reminded me of that. Okay, so here's the next sheet. I think this goes... I'm not 100% sure. Wait. Look at this. Look how cute they are. I think they're all kitty faces, aren't they? The focus is not focusing. Please focus on the focusing. Focus. Oh my god. I think it's because it's so light. Oh, there's a little... Look at the little mummy. I love mummies. They're like my favorite. I have a mummy bird. I love mummies. One of my favorite like monsters. What is that? It's got multiple eyeballs. Yeah, it's very pale. I think my phone's like trying to tell me, no, this is not a good idea. It could be. All right, that's number 2. Oh, this one here is a see-through, kinda, a little bit. What do we got? What do we have here? We've got, is it more kitties? Oh, it's from the envelopes. From the envelopes here. So, that hasn't come up yet, though. Sometimes you'll get all of them as stickers, sometimes you won't. Oh, that's so cute. I can't wait to use these. I use them in a planner that I write down all of my important information on, and I also write down things that happen when, you know, so that I can remember that they've happened. I have a, it's a See It Bigger planner. You could buy them at Walmart and certain grocery stores and stuff like that. It's made for people who have vision issues. Love it. Okay, that's adorable. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4, we finally got some more washi. It's a washi strip, like they're strips. And last month and a couple of the months we hadn't gotten any. I like to put them at the top of my planner. The person who made it is here. And I'm going to assume they're adorable because I can't see them. Hold on. These are teeny tiny for me. What? That's cute. I don't know what that is, but that's cute. Oh, is that like Frankenstein? Werewolf? Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love Halloween. Who doesn't? I mean, like, it's really weird if you... Oh, I imagine people from other countries because they're like, we don't celebrate it because we're not like the U.S. And they shouldn't try to be. They have their own holidays, own traditions, and a lot of them are super duper fun. Here's a smaller strip down here. I love that you get a couple of different sizes, not just like long ones, but also thicker ones and thin ones. Okay, so that's number 4. Everything's getting out of frame now. That's great. Number 5 here is probably Pusheen. We have been getting these for months now, and I love Pusheen, but I'm not like a super duper collector. I don't actually think I have anything from Pusheen itself. All I have is these stickers. I just have the stickers. Um, but these are extra, extra cute. I haven't used any of them yet because like they're adorable, and it's like something that you don't know where you want to put it. I know I could put them in my planner, but then I've wasted such cute stickers. I used to have an issue with knowing where to put stickers until I forced myself to put them in my planner to decorate for each month. What I'll do is, even though I got these in September, I will decorate the month of October with it. It's helped me a lot figure out where to put stickers because of the fact that I am now forcing myself to say, hey, why don't I decorate this page so that when I look back on my planners, because I keep them all, that I say, oh, that was a sticker pack I got, and these were the days I enjoyed. All right, that was number 5. Here's number 6, which is really see-through. So how about we take this sticker pack and put it here so that you can see. Very faint. I am not sure what I'm seeing. It's very faint. Let's get closer. That did not help. That didn't help at all. Is that some sort of creature as a s'mores? I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm seeing. They're little mice. So that's a devil mouse on top of a strawberry shortcake. It should have been on a devil's food cake. Or is that too obvious? I have the hiccups now. These are adorable. It's like little dressed up mice on sweets. Sometimes there's like stuff in the pack where like I just don't know how to fit it in with the theme, because sometimes there'll be like a random one that doesn't seem to fit. I mean, like there's a little, this is cute. This is definitely going in there, the cauldron. But then I'm like, it's a strawberry. I don't know. You tell me. Interact with me. Get me to write back to you, because I would love to do that. My channel says it has 5 followers. I know my sister's one of them. I don't even know if she still watches. I had one video probably about 7 years ago and then decided I was too afraid to do it, so I stopped. I'll probably do like a story time in a video one day about why I started this. I don't even have a proper channel video yet. Okay, this makes me feel like it matches the notepad. Yes, it does. Right there. Okay, so this is the item that matches the notepad. Awesome. All right, where's the artist? Usually on the bottom here. And the best part is not only do you get these stickers, but you get to keep the sleeve to keep them in so they're not loose all over the place. And if you go to StickiiClub.com, which is their website, you can buy more of these sleeves if you want to, and they have different kinds of styles where like maybe it's just a full sleeve for sheets and that's it, instead of having the pockets on the front. But I like having the pockets. I'm a person who likes to keep the items where they came from, so that way I know where exactly they are. So that is the last here. And I think it's a really good haul. I love Halloween. Freaking bats. Anybody else love TikTok during Halloween? So we've got the theme sticker. We've got a rubber stamp, notepad, envelopes, and what did I say? 7 stamps. I mean, stamps. Stickers. It's not even my first video. Which is a really good haul. Really good haul. And I absolutely love the different artists that came in this one. These are all adorable. I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to do with this one with the little mice, because they are wearing Halloween costumes, but there's desserts on there. Absolutely love this one. That is the most adorable, and that is definitely going in my planner. Who are you? Who are you from? That's your person's name? Person who created you? Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to watch my video, and I hope you will watch the next one. If not, I'll be seeing you soon, because I'm sure I'll pop up somewhere. Have a good day. Bye-bye.